In this video I'm going to show you guys how to enable post notifications on Instagram. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to enable post notifications, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram, of course. Search for an account you want. For example, DaBaby. Click on it. For this to work, you have to follow the person you want. Click on follow. Then click on a drop down arrow right beside following. So click on that. And as you can see, you see a few options here. Click on notifications and then enable posts. You can also enable stories or IGTV, but I'm just going to keep it on post. And yeah, that's basically it. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments if it worked and leave a like, and I would appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.